Tyagi sir, Mr. Yaragatti, Dr. Yaragatti, Mrs. Dabral, uh, Director MNIT, Mr. APS, Dr. APS Rathod. We used to know him as APS boss. It is juniors of mine, seniors of mine, Shri Sanjay Arora, who was a friend of mine, now is a senior of mine who I have to say sir to all the time. DC Jain. There are lots of faces here, and I will begin my short speech by saying that on behalf of my mother, Mrs. Jalaja Srinivasan, and the entire Srinivasan family, a deep and a heartfelt thank you. It means a lot to us. I don't remember the author who said, but I think it was the book A Stone for Danny Fisher, which ends and begins with the same line, which said, to live in the hearts of those you love is to live forever. And to see 25 years after my father passed away, 26 years after my father passed away, this award, this memory, this outpouring of affection, this outpouring of respect is truly, truly humbling, and I and all of us are deeply honored and grateful. APS Rathod sir was always known as Ajay Pal Singh by my father. My father would never address anybody by his initials. It was always Narendra Singh Yadav, Ajay Pal Singh, and it was never, he would never be a person who would take the shortcut. Memories of him are, when I, like somebody said here, the first day of yours in college. So the first day of mine in college, I met my father walking back with his umbrella, and I said, "Hi Dad," and he said, "Not here, here I am, sir." And that remained till the end. In our family, we very affectionately and lovingly call him Dr. VS because he was sir to most of us. Class, there are not many people in India or in the world who have actually been taught by their fathers in a classroom situation and in L1. So he came to teach us fluid mechanics, and as usual, he was princey, so the attendance was reasonably high for a fluid mechanics class, which was normally not there. And he began his class by writing the equation, converting Bernoulli's equation into the Navier-Stokes equation, and he walked across the whole L1 board writing. And when we looked at those numbers and we looked at those Greek symbols, we realized that there are many things meant for, at least I realized, that there are many things meant for me in this world, but engineering is not one of them. My father was a giant physically. Even now when I think of him as bigger than me, and I think I am the middle one in the group. My father was taller than me, my son is taller than me. But he was a giant in every sense of the term. He was a giant mentally. He played chess, he played bridge, and more importantly, he read chess and he read bridge. He used to enjoy reading chess and he used to enjoy reading bridge. He was a giant in terms of religion, in terms of spirituality. In his childhood, he had learned Sanskrit and he spoke in Sanskrit. I mean, it was one of those things which in our times used to happen on the Vivid Bharati, that there used to be something called the Sanskrit Samachar, and he actually could correct it. And when my brother got married, he sat on the manda and corrected the Pandit from time to time in the pronunciations and enunciations, resulting in us having to pay more to the Pandit. He was, people remember Dr. Srinivasan for any number of things. But the one thing that everybody whom I have met in my life always said, कि सर जैसा ईमानदार आदमी हमने नहीं देखा. सर की बात ही अलग थी, वैसे लोग बनाए ही नहीं, वो चला गया, वो मिट्टी चला गया. And I'm not talking about, people because I am his son, but people who were drivers, Champalal ji, Bade Bhavar, Chote Bhavar, and they have met me. I mean, even now when I meet Mohan on the road, they stop me and say, "Ki saab ki baat kuch aur thi." And the reason for that was that for him, it was not something that he had to ever think about. And I and my brother, and I hope our children are deeply thankful that for us, thinking about what is right or wrong never was an issue because you knew what was right. Even today, I carry his photograph in my wallet, and whenever I am faced with an issue or a problem or a thought, I sometimes look at him and wonder what he would have done. And the answer is very clear. It is something that we all, when we remember our parents, we are very fond of them. My father was a guide. In fact, the very thought that taking mechanical engineering as a profession was because as a child I saw his books. In fact, he has written one book himself, and it was, an idea that I would become a mechanical engineer. Then he talked about management, so one tried to become a manager. And finally, somewhere deep down, he had wanted to be a civil servant. And he used to say at the very end, when I last met him, that I'm so happy that both of you are serving India. Because for him, that was important. He was a nationalist, he was a patriot. He believed in the concept of India, and in spite of having several opportunities to stay abroad, live abroad, work abroad, he said no, he would come back and work here. He was given the opportunity by destiny to come here as a lecturer to the railway station at Jodhpur, carrying a trunk, speaking no Hindi, and retiring and passing away, not retiring, but passing away from Jodhpur as the Vice Chancellor. For 9 years he was here, for 2.5 years he was in Jodhpur, and he was an academic, first, last and always. He loved to teach. He would teach. I remember, again in that so-called fluid mechanics exam, at 4 o'clock in the morning of the day of the exam, when I realized that I knew nothing and I was likely to fail, I went and woke him up, and he sat down patiently and started to teach me. But he was that kind of a father who didn't bother that a large number of my misdemeanors which I did, many of these teachers would recollect not so fondly, would tell him, he would just laugh it off and say that boys will be boys, or men will be men, or Prabhu will be Prabhu, whichever suited him. To end, I would like to say I had this unique opportunity of being his son, and then somebody was talking about alma mater. I don't think this place is more of an alma mater to anybody, because I have lived here in some capacity or the other since 1972 June. I have worked with him as a colleague. He was the principal when I was a lecturer here for a brief while. He was a teacher, a father, and what else can I say? A hero. Today I am deeply, let us say, emotional that we are remembering him, and it is all thanks to Shri Tyagi and Shri Ajaypal Singh Rathod and all the others of the BOG who took this great decision. Thank you once again.
Thank you.